Hello everyone. I am going to give you a little snapshot of what we're going to do here in the fall. This is your problem. There's going to be 4 of these fans in a wind wall going at full speed, and you have to create a wind turbine from scratch there on site in order to capture the energy from those fans. Some of the tools and things that you'll have access to, first off, is this is our generator slash motor. There's your part number for those of you that like to do lots of research on size and things to design around. You'll also have access to various VEX tools, gears, some support materials, and one of the objects would be for bonus points is to actually create a 3D printed piece that you can integrate within your wind turbine design. We will have on-site 3D printing capabilities, so the sky's the limit as far as that goes. The winning team will make the most energy, not the most voltage, but the most energy over a 30-second time frame. For some ideas, I recommend going to kidwind.org or just doing random web searches on how to design a good wind turbine. Your materials, other than what I've shown you, there are going to be some different materials. You may choose from several different materials on the wind turbine blade design itself, and I will announce those in August when we deliver the full delivery of the project. So some ideas to start brewing around. Good luck.